5 middle-class myths that might prevent you from becoming super rich. I'm sure you've heard the saying, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. But have you ever questioned why? I did, and I also have found the answer. The journey to becoming a billionaire begins with your mindset, but how you implement those ideas is as important. You must not only think like a billionaire, but also behave like one. I noticed that persons who identify as middle class have a distinct set of ideas, ideologies, and techniques than those who identify as very rich. Their key to being wealthy was not in the mechanics of money, but rather in their ideals and level of thinking. Here are some of the most popular middle-class myths that may be limiting your earning potential. 1. I'll get wealthy by working hard even at a job I hate. Unknowingly, many invest too much time and energy in careers that do not enhance their potential while clinging to the belief that if they stay with it long enough, they will finally make the breakthrough they have been searching for. Having a success story like this is something we frequently idealize, but occasionally it's just a lie we attempt to feed our brains. While the majority of the middle class feels that investing in their tolerable job would make them wealthy, those at the top of the social scale disagree. Finding a 9-to-5 job is not the path to financial success. Rather, it is a bad attitude that will keep a person employed forever. Avoid looking at jobs with the most compensation potential and concentrate on those with the potential to provide you with more fulfillment. And, after you've found it, pour your heart and soul into your work to get to the top of your industry. Success will come if you pursue what you are passionate about. You can break free from the bonds of wage slavery once you do, and nothing will be difficult for you. 2. You spend first before investing. Middle-class individuals frequently withdraw hundreds of dollars each month to cover their auto loans. But now that you think about it, if these money were put into stocks, bonds, and other alternative investments, they would generate income that would allow them to purchase a car while still having some money saved up. Many individuals believe that handling money properly is simple. Managing money and adhering to a budget requires severe discipline and sacrifice. Put money into investments before spending the money you just received. The way you think about spending and investing will have a huge impact on your ability to climb the success ladder. 3. Keeping your money safe is a good thing. Middle-class people have a scarcity mindset. They feel there will never be enough of anything. As a result, they are extremely careful with their finances. They are afraid that if they lose money, they would not be able to recover it. The way the wealthy increase their wealth with no further work is by utilizing their wealth to generate more wealth. They account for the risks associated with this technique since they are aware that there will be losses along the way in addition to potential sudden and staggering returns. The world's millionaires are always researching their investments, both successful and unsuccessful ones. They are aware that as long as they gain knowledge and experience, they will grow wiser and more capable of recovering money lost in high-risk trades. Change your viewpoint by placing a bet on yourself while starting a new business, investment, or partnership to increase your tolerance for accepting risks. Your confidence will increase if you start to believe in your judgment. 4. The more money, the worse the character. The adage, money is the source of all evil, is one that enslaves and ties down the middle class. Some people think that being wealthy is related to vices like greed, oppression, and corruption. But this isn't really the case. Money may also be the source of good and change many people's lives for decades. Having money may show a person's real colors. An individual will become greedier if they already have great wealth. As opposed to this, a person will be even more charitable if they are kind-hearted despite not having much money. 5. Getting rich is a matter of fate, not a choice. Many middle-class people associate wealth with formal education, careers, skills, and housing, yet this perspective will not help a person advance in the corporate sector. Rather, it would make a person immovable and stuck in the middle-class lifestyle. Thinking that it is fate that makes a person wealthy is very insignificant. It is you who will decide your fate. When you accept that you are solely accountable for your financial situation in life, you will be one step closer to financial independence. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.